here, and this week we have begun learning about our sense of hearing. And of course, we know that we hear and we listen with our ears. So today, to brush up on our listening skills, okay, and our hearing skills, we're gonna play a fun listening game called Guess the Sound. So I'm going to play a sound for you. I want you to listen really closely and try and figure out what that sound is. Okay, are we ready? We're ready. Listen to the first sound. It's a clock, tick-tock. Ready for the next one? It's coins dropping. Cling, clang, cling. And the next sound is... It's a cow. Moo. Listen to this one. It's a dinosaur. Roar. And another. It's a police siren. Ooh. One last sound. It's a thunder and rain storm. You guys have done a great job playing Guess the Sound.